Guys, Antares had finally released the latest version of AutoTune. AutoTune 2026. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get the free version of AutoTune 2026. And if you are cool with that, after trying the free version for some period, you can actually go and buy the full version of AutoTune if you're a music producer. Now, Antares have not sponsored this video, but when it comes to AutoTunes, we can't talk about AutoTunes without mentioning VST plugins from Antares. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get the latest version of AutoTune, which is AutoTune 2026. So first thing you need to do is to open your browser. Then what you need to do is to search Antares AutoTune download. Alright, so this is gonna open for you. Make sure you click on AutoTune Central software. I'll also put the link in the description box. You can actually click on that and that's gonna take you to the same place. So we're gonna click here. Now guys, what you need to do is to pay attention to what I'm going to tell you in today's video. Make sure you give the video a like. All right, so now let's look at the product. When you come to the product, you can see we have AutoTune Unlimited, access over 20 vocal tools with free upgrade. Then you can also see AutoTune editions. Then you can also see AI powered vocal chain, creative effect. All right, so now we are looking for AutoTune, the latest version of AutoTune. So we're going to go to AutoTune edition, professional page correction plugins. And now guys, when you watch here, you can see AutoTune Pro 11, the most advanced AutoTune ever. Then you can also see AutoTune hybrid, real-time page correction for Pro Tools and Avid DSP hardware. All right, you can also see AutoKey 2. If you don't know AutoKey 2, I have a full video showing you how you can actually use this particular plugin to detect the key of unknown vocals and beats, instrument. It's gonna speed up your production. All right, so what you need to do is to watch the video that will pop up on the screen. So guys, let's go back again to products, AutoTune editions. Now if you watch it, you can see AutoTune 2026 new. All right, so the essential AutoTune workflow and sound. How can we get the latest version of AutoTune, which is AutoTune 2026? All you need to do is to click on this and we're gonna wait for it to load. All right, so you can actually see AutoTune 2026. Guys, in the next coming videos, we're gonna try this particular plugin on vocals. So AutoTune 2026 Pro vocals in seconds. You shouldn't have to choose between quality and efficiency. AutoTune 2026 gives you the authentic AutoTune sound in an intuitive CPU friendly package, rebuilt from scratch so you can stay in the flow. All right, so guys, you can see now how do you actually get this AutoTune and try for some period. All right, you want to get the free version of the AutoTune 2026. What you need to do is to scroll down and come to purchase options. All right, you can see AutoTune Unlimited subscription over here. You also have the perpetual license, which is 281 euros, and that's one-time payment. All right, you also have subscription type. We have annual. You can subscribe to 8 annually and pay 180 euros per year, which is 15 euros per month. Guys, if you got money, I will advise you to go for this particular AutoTune. It's crazy. All right, but if you're on a budget and you want to try the free version, stick to the video and we're going to consider that. Next thing, you can see monthly. All right, so the month is for monthly payment is 30 euros per month. All right, then guys, what I want you to pay attention is the try 14 days free. All right, so we want to try this particular auto tune for the very first time, and if you are cool with that, we're gonna buy the full version of the auto tune. So we're gonna click over here, and now guys, you can see try 20 plus pro vocal tools featuring the latest edition of auto tune, all vocals effects with our 14-day free trial. Terms and conditions: one try per user for new or first time subscribers only. You must provide a method of payment to authorize your free trial. Alright, so guys, over here, what Antares are trying to say that if you subscribe to this particular 14-day free trial of AutoTune 2026, you're gonna use it free for some period, and after that they're gonna deduct the payment from your card that you're gonna provide for them. So if you are cool with that, to try it for 14 days, all you need to do is to click on subscribe. All right guys, like the video, comment, let me know where you are watching me from, and the next thing you need to do is to enter your Gmail over here. Right after that, just click next and you're gonna proceed. So let's go for any Gmail. I'm gonna go for any of my Gmails. All right guys, so what you need to do is to enter your Gmail. So I'm gonna do that. Then right after that, after entering your email, hit next. All right, so after providing your email, they're gonna ask you to create new account or continue as a guest. What you need to do is to click create new account and enter your first name, second name over here, then come out with a password. All right, create a password. So let's create a password. All right, so after confirming your password, all you need to do is to click create account. So we are waiting for it to load. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, give the video a like. Guys, I will also put the link to this particular auto tune in the description box. All right, that's crazy. All right, so after providing your payment method details, I'm just gonna send you an email with the link to try the AutoTune Pro, to try the AutoTune 2026 for the very first time. If this video helps you, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Maybe you don't know how to use AutoTune. I have a full video taking you step by step. So watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. Name is Sai. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.